Welcome to the channel. Yeah, cooking with Abba. If you are new, you're so welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, mwah, mwah, mwah. Today we're going to make one of my quick fixes. Yes, you see, Charlie, some days you're in a hurry to go to work, you have so much to do, you want to eat something light, something nutritious. And for my veggie lovers, it being on me, Abba, we know you love veggies, but we're not seeing so much of your veggie recipes. Yay! This is for my veggie lovers and my vegetarians. I'm going to teach you one simple vegetable toast breakfast recipe I make personally, and I hope you do like it. And I'll see you after we watch this video for a special tip. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed, if you've not liked, if you've not shared, please do well to do so. So by popular request for my vegetable lovers, yes, this is my toast veggie recipe I do for my quick fix breakfast. So vegetables of your choice. Yeah, so in this video I used the cabbage, cauliflower, bell pepper, I use some onion as well, I use some carrot as well. It's all up to you, vegetables of your choice and preference. Then some eggs as well. I love scrambled eggs. And some smoked fish too, and I had some green pepper sauce. You see, me green pepper sauce, I love it too. You should also love it and try it. Some salt and some oil as well. So to kick off, you need just a little oil to base your pan. Not so much oil, just a little oil to base your pan. And then you start by frying in your onion. Don't overly cook it. Yes. Then your green pepper. You can add a kick of pepper to it, so you can cut some fresh pepper in as well if you are pepper folk. Yes. Then you add in your carrots. These ones take a bit of time to cook. Your cauliflower, you can add that in as well and then toss it. The heat will get to it. If you are new to cauliflower, you can try to steam it up a bit, maybe like 2-3 minutes before you add it in. But if you're a pro and you like it like myself, please, you can put it in directly and fry. It gives it that crunch. So the last thing you want to add in is your cabbage, because cabbage, the least heat and it gets too soft. So you introduce your vegetables in by how tough they are or how long they need heat. And you're literally done. You just need to stir, make sure it comes to the heatness you want, and you add in your salt and you're done. And this is how I do my scrambled eggs with this one. So when I'm eating my vegetables, I like to do it like this. So I just pour the oil in a little. I put all my eggs in, sprinkle some salt, and I mix it from time to time because I'm trying to get it scrambled. I'm not doing it all at once. And I want to do this till every part is well cooked. And I like it brown. Yay, golden brown. Yes, so once that is also done, coming to my protein, my main protein. Yes, so I told you this green pepper sauce, it saves you time. You know, smoked fish, yes, if you don't work with well, it ain't nice. So I flaked a bit of it. And yay, this is my simple breakfast pack. I can eat in the morning here, or when I'm in a hurry, I take it to the office and go and eat quick. And it's simple like ABC. So your tossed vegetables, your scrambled eggs, some fish in there. You can add a bit of lemon for those who would like a bit of kick to their fish. And yay, yeah, when I'm not trying to lose some weight, I add in some kaklo or any carbohydrate you'd want to add. And it's a simple vegetable toast dish you can try for your breakfast. Any vegetable of your choice, just toss them up simply like this. So I hope you did like this simple vegetable toast recipe, breakfast recipe with the scrambled eggs, and yes, how to spice up your smoked fish. Yes, sometimes you just want to avoid a bit of the meat and you want to go a bit more fish. And you know, the smoked fish, if you don't handle it too well, a bit kakra. Yes, quote and unquote. So it can taste a bit hard some way. I don't know how to put it in English, but then if you don't take care, it can be a bit nauseating for you. So personally, I like to spice it up with my green pepper sauce. As for green pepper sauce, if you've not learned how to do it, please, you are really doing yourself a great disservice. So do well to check on our page cauliflower green pepper sauce recipe. Yes, and yes, scrambled egg. Yeah, it's in there. I personally like scrambled eggs. You know, it's quick to do. Yeah, and healthy. You know that thing. Scrambled eggs, yeah. There's less cleaning afterwards as well. So personally, I love scrambled eggs. So I hope, yes, you try this vegetable toast recipe. Please do well to use the right amount of heat. Don't overly toast your veggies. You don't want to lose all your nutrients, and you don't want them to be too soft. If they are too soft, they don't give you much texture, and they're not so interesting to eat. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I'll do well to release more of my vegetable recipes as well, my salads as well, so that my vegetarians and those dieting, you can equally have something to eat. So this is a good recipe or a good breakfast if you want to diet. Yes, if you want to shred some weight, this is super good for those who are doing not a full pure keto diet, but if you're doing partial keto diet, this is good. If you're dieting as well, this is good. If you're a vegetarian, this is good. You can just omit the fish part and use some soya or something else to replace it. And if you are not dieting, please, this is also good. So till I see you in the next food video, do well to live life to the fullest, do well to be merry, do well to be healthy and stay fortified. Do well to recommend this channel to another friend and be a blessing to the person. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.